I really want to find a solution to this issue. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jeff Benjamin with iDownloadBlog. No doubt you've seen this message before. App Store redirect, cancel or allow. And what happens? You tap cancel, right? And then what happens after that? The entire page basically just times out. Thankfully, most of the page here loaded. A lot of times the page will just refresh. It'll time out. It won't let you do anything, or it won't let you read the description of the tweak. You have to go back out and come back in, and then hope that you don't get that pop-up again. Now, Sorg implemented this App Store redirect blocker in one of the previous versions of Cydia that was released not too long ago, and the point of that was to prevent users from being automatically whisked away to the App Store by some silly ad that's running on some repo. I don't know. But the very problem that this blocker set out to solve, or the very problem that it was trying to fix, it is actually causing, it's interrupting your workflow. Regardless of whether it ships you to the App Store or not, you're interrupting your workflow when you encounter this little pop-up, this redirect blocker. And it's making it a very, very, I just won't say bad, but it's an inconsistent user experience. And thankfully it's not popping up. Well, it probably will. Well, nope, it didn't. Thankfully it hasn't popped up now. But I'd say, I encounter this there it is again. I encountered this all the time. And actually, it's not happening nearly as much as I'm recording this video as it normally does. Whenever I go into Cydia, every time I do a video at least, it seems I get this pop-up 4 or 5 times easily. And what it does is it basically just completely interrupts your workflow. Like when you're trying to read a description of a Cydia tweak, it will pop up and then basically cause you to have to refresh the tweak, go back out, come back in, refresh the description or the description page for that particular tweak. It's not a huge deal. Like, I don't want to sound like a huge complainer and be like, it's just ruining my life. It's not ruining my life. It's not, at the end of the day, it's a very, very small complaint, but it is, in my opinion, ruining the user experience for Cydia. It just makes it so bad. It makes it so inconsistent. It just breaks it up, and you're getting this pop-up. And I understand why the pop-up's there. It's so that you won't automatically be shipped over to some shady ad. And I understand that the repos have to have ads to function. Like, I'm not naive. I don't think the repo should get rid of ads. I don't want to block ads on Cydia. In fact, if I run across an advertisement that, is something that actually appeals to me, that's rare, but sometimes it does happen, I will tap on it, because I want to know more about that product or whatever, and I want to support, the repos involved. But I just don't think that, I think that there needs to be another solution, or at least, some kind of compromise has to be made. Like, either, work with the advertisers, make sure that we don't get these pop-ups, or make sure we don't get these ads that automatically ship you over to the App Store. I don't know what can be done about it, if anything can be done about it, if it's even realistic to even think that something can be done about this. I just hope that something changes, because it is really messing up the user experience on Cydia. It just makes it so disjointed. Like, notice here, I just got that error, the App Store redirect, cancel allow pop-up. I hit cancel. Guess what? Can I even view anything about this tweak now? No. That's because it completely stopped it from loading. I got to go all the way back out, go back into portrait wallpaper, and then hope that I don't get the pop-up again. Now I didn't, so I can go ahead and read about what this tweak involves. So I feel like I've just ranted and raved, and I'm sorry. I don't mean to ruffle any feathers, or to make anyone upset, or to cause users to pile on. I just want a solution to this issue, like a compromise or a solution to this issue. And I don't want people to go out and block ads from Cydia. Please don't do that, because that's how they make their money. That's how these repos get paid. I get paid off ads, so I don't want people blocking ads. I don't block ads here on Cydia. But I understand that is the next recourse. If this keeps happening, then people are going to do a couple of things. Number one, they're just going to avoid Cydia, period. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Number two, they're going to avoid the BigBoss repo, period, and then go get their tweaks by some other means, which hopefully won't happen. And we want to support the developers involved here. Number three, they're going to use some sort of ad blocker, which obviously, I mean, it's not, we don't want that happening, right? We want advertisements to load because we want to support these repos and subsequently support developers and things of that nature. So, you know, there's just, I don't think there's anything that really is, that's really good about the way this works right now. Yes, it is blocking us from being shuttled to the App Store, but I think that the way this is interrupting the workflow, the way this is interrupting the experience is just as bad as if we were shipped over to the App Store. So I don't know what you guys think about this. I know I've ranted and raved for a long time, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you think this is just, I'm just complaining and I have no right to complain about this? Do you think that this is a problem? Are you tired of this issue? Do you just ignore it? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I'm interested to hear what you have to say about it. This is Jeff with iDownload Blog.